This is the brainstem model.
Number 3.
We have the pons,
In this picture, this is an
the medulla oblongata, the
says flexor retina.
interventricular foramen
There's
is
a picture
over
without
here.
this, so it's harder to see everything that's underneath.
You can also see that in here, over here on the top.
So palmar radiocarpal ligament.
And then the cerebral peduncle,
Somewhere down in here.
it's this one, right here. The middle cerebral peduncle is this side. Okay. And then the fourth ventricle is this. Median longitudinal fissure is right here. Okay. The pyramid of medulla, this one. You can also see that from here, which is this one. Okay. The olive of medulla oblongata, this one. Here. The posterior longitudinal fissure is this one. The fasciculus gracilis, that's this one. Fasciculus gracilis. The fasciculus cuneatus. The optic nerve. Optic chiasma. It's where the optic nerves meet. And you can see that over here too. This is a cross section. And then the oculomotor nerves, this one. You put it back. Oculomotor nerves. This one's. Get it? The trochlear nerve surround is this one. It's right here. Trigeminal nerve. This one. Abducens nerve.
Number 4, this is your
Facial nerves. Auditory nerves, or it's also called the vestibulocochlear or the statoacoustic nerve. Glossopharyngeal nerve, the vagus nerve, spinal accessory nerve, hypoglossal nerve, the optic tract is over here. It's right here, optic tract. Okay? And the thalamus is this one, right here. Pituitary gland, you can't really see it over here, but it hangs at the infundibulum. It's supposed to be over here. The infundibulum is this stalk right here. Mammillary body is this right here. The pons, you look at this side. Pons is this. Central canal of spinal cord is this right here. The fourth ventricle is this right here.
Sagittal head model.
The aqueduct of Sylvius, this one.
So I don't know.
Here.
I didn't get all of it.
The third ventricle is this right here. You see it? This ventricle, that's the third ventricle. And then anterior commissure.
Hold on. Third ventricle
is this part.
That's also interventricular foramen.
The foramen is the interventricular foramen. That's the hole. Okay, and this is the anterior commissure. The posterior commissure is over here. The fornix, mammillary body, and the interventricular foramen, as we said, is over here. That's the brainstem.